Welcome class to Mr. Douglas, 6th grade math. Today we're going to talk a little bit about box plots. We haven't done that in class yet, and yet it's going to be on a test. So we want to mention it. Mr. Douglas, 6th grade math. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell and you'll get these last minute alerts. A couple of minutes can change your life and make you get a question right. Okay, let's take a look at this. On a box plot, let's say you had thousands, hundreds, millions of numbers and data, whatever, okay? And we don't want to show every single dot on a stem and leaf plot or dot plot or a numbers where we just write, 2, 2, 2, 5, 3, 7, So they just go ahead and tell you a few main points with this box plot. So for example, you might be able to guess, if you take a second, what you think each thing is on this box plot. So we have something way down here, something way down here. We have a line here, a line here, and a line here, and we make a box, okay? So this will slide and adjust left and right. This is the median, or we sometimes could call it Q2, but we don't call it that. We call it the median, okay? That's the middle. It's the middle data point, but it's not always going to look like it's the middle because I might have tons more 8s and 6s than I do 12s, 14s, and 16s. So it's going to pull the middle this direction. We'll learn more about that another time. The dot way over here, this is going to be your smallest data point. Okay? So of all your data, 4 was the lowest one you had. Okay? And then this is the biggest. What do you think we can use those for? Sorry, sloppy doing this on the car. The biggest number minus the smallest number, what's that? That's the range. Okay, so I would have 18 minus my smallest number of 4, and my range, I could tell you on this set of data is 14. Okay. Now, if that's the median and that's the biggest point and that's the lowest point, what's the next two things we've learned about data analysis? This is Q3, the third quartile, okay? So after we cut all the data in half, we cut this upper half in half, and that's Q3. And this one over here is going to be, I did not leave myself room, that's Q1, okay, quartile 1. So the range is the biggest point minus smallest point. The IQR is the biggest Q minus the smallest Q. So Q3, 14 minus 8, and I'm going to have an IQR distance of 6. This is measuring my middle of all my data. That's really important. Now you could make your own box plot. They're telling me 5 numbers. That's all I need to make a box plot. So the median is going to be at 20. The Q1 is at 14. Q3 is at 26, way over here. That's now my box. Okay? Then my lowest point 10, biggest point 30. You make some people call this box and whisker plot because those look like whiskers. Okay? There you go. That's box plot in a nutshell. I'm Mr. Douglas with 6th grade, Mr. Douglas 6th grade math. I hope that helps. You guys have a wonderful day. You're all awesome. Be kind. Have a great day.